In this video, we are going to look at getting started with the trial version of the corporate record system. We're going to take you from downloading the necessary files from the yourcorporateneeds.shop website through to actually using the trial version to generate documents. The steps that we present in the video are also contained in the installation instructions that are provided in one of the files included in the download of the trial version. Please review that document for more detailed instructions. We start by going to our store at yourcorporateneeds.shop. We then navigate to the Feature page by clicking on Feature at the top of the page. Clicking on the trial version icon will display a screen that asks the user for their first and last name and their email address. The system does not ask the user for any payment information because the trial version is free and subject to the terms set out in the end-user license agreement included in the download. The system will then display a screen with the files that can be downloaded with the trial version. The files that can be downloaded include the compiled.exe trial version of the corporate record system, a sample database, installation notes, the end-user license agreement, and frequently asked questions. Download these to your computer, usually in the Downloads directory. Then create a new directory such as /yourcorporateneeds_trial, and then move the downloaded files to that directory. In Windows Explorer, you can see our newly created directory with the 5 files that we have downloaded. The corporate record system will also create a subdirectory called documents_created, where the documents generated by the system will initially be stored. You can change the location for the documents created, as we will present in a later video about modifying existing documents. Double-clicking on the file that starts with SFT for software and has a file extension of .exe will launch the trial version of the corporate record system. First, the end-user license agreement will be displayed, and the user will be asked to review and accept the agreement. The trial version splash screen will then be displayed, followed by the corporate record system itself. We then want to click on the System Setting button to proceed to the System Settings screen. Here we will make sure that the database name and directory location match the files in the newly created directory. Click on the Check Database Connection button to ensure that the database name and directory are correct, and initialize the Documents Created subdirectory if required. Return to the main screen and click on the Sync button in the top right corner to synchronize the contents of the system to the sample database. Select the name of a corporation in the sample database and retrieve its data. We can now display and modify information for the corporation, such as its directors. Or return to the main screen and generate documents standing for the 2017 annual meeting. At this point, the trial version has been fully installed, and you are ready to investigate the capabilities of Your Corporate Needs Software Inc.'s corporate record system to evaluate how it fits with your requirements. If you are ready to acquire a full version of the system, please go back to our store at yourcorporateneeds.shop and download the full version. You can then install the software following the steps in the installation instructions included as a downloaded file. Thank you for viewing this video, and please enjoy investigating the capabilities of our corporate record system.